जीवन हमें एक मौका देता है, इसलिए जब भी सही कॉलेज चुनने का समय आए तो सिर्फ मंगलायतन यूनिवर्सिटी आपके बेहतरीन भविष्य और सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए।
Hello and welcome to Jagran Josh. So the West Bengal Central School Service Commission has announced the second state level selection test 2025 and inviting online application for a significant 35,726 assistant teacher vacancies. So interested and eligible candidates are encourageable to apply through the official website, which is westbengalssc.com, and with the application window closing on July 14th. And as per the official notification, the WBSSC SLST exam is tentatively scheduled for the first week of September 2025. And this large-scale recruitment drive aims to fill 23,212 assistant teacher positions for the classes 9 to 10th, and additionally 12,514 posts for higher secondary classes for 11 to 12, and candidates meeting the eligibility criteria of having 50% marks in the post-graduation and failing within the age limit of 21 to 40 years can submit their application online through official website by July 14th. Well, the application fee is Rs 500 for general and OBC categories, while SC, ST, PH candidates need to pay Rs 200 only. And the selection process for these West Bengal based positions will involve a written exam followed by an interview. And the West Bengal Central School Service Commission, which is WB SSC, released its SLST notification on May 13th and 2025, providing comprehensive details including exam dates, eligibility criteria, syllabus, exam pattern, and selection process. And also the online registration for the second state level selection test commenced on June 16, 2025 and will conclude on July 14, 2025 by 5 p.m. with application fee is also payable until 11:59 p.m. on the same date. And the written examination is tentatively scheduled for the first week of September 2025 with results expected in the fourth week of October 2025. And following this interview, the plan for the third week of November 2025 with the final panel published on November 24th and 2025 and counseling and recommendations begin on November 29th, 2025. And also the application fee for the WB SSC is Rs 500 for candidates belonging to the general and OBC categories, while those from SC, ST and PH categories are required to pay only just 200 rupees. And eligible candidates can easily submit their application fee online by following a very simple procedural steps. Like first, visit the official website, which is again westbengal.ssc.com, and on the home page locate and click on the apply online link. You will then need to complete the registration procedure and using a valid email ID and the mobile number. And after successfully registration, log in with the credential detected and proceed to fill out of the comprehensive online application form. But ensure all the required documents are uploaded in the precisable format. Like finally, pay the application fee according to your category and submit the form, and remember to take a printout for your future records and for the future reference. Till then, keep watching Jagran Josh for more updates.